Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we of course had the Chromium update for security. We had the Google Chrome update for security. Microsoft Edge now has its update. It was released on Friday, yesterday, the 23rd. And if you go onto the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots go into help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. You will be moved to 144.0.3719.92. This contains a bug fix, which made the browser sometimes crash, but it also contains the security updates for V8 for the week. There was only one security update of high severity for Google Chrome, so I guess this is the same one for Microsoft Edge. And also this video is to remind everybody that's using any other browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, of course Edge, and so on, that are Chromium based, to update your browser. It is extremely important. People think that it doesn't matter, my antivirus is there to protect me, which is absolutely not the case. Your antivirus does not protect you from security flaws in software. It's extremely important to understand that. So update, you'll stay safe and you'll be all right. And check out the updates for all the browsers, the Chromium browsers out there, whatever you are using to surf the web. Once again, I get that question so often: what's the best browser? The best browser is the one you're using that you love, and that's pretty much it. There are advantages to all the browsers, and from security based and privacy based browsers like Brave up to standard browsers. It is a fact that Google Chrome is still the majority of what people use. So whatever you use, it's fine as long as you keep it up to date. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.